Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orange County-based Orlando Social Security Disability law firm. Let's go ahead and begin. Getting a little bit tired because we're on question 35 of 50. That's a lot of questions to do in one sitting. Of course, I've had little breaks, but let's go into it. 35. So the judge will say, I see you taking notes. Right? You're sitting there, you're taking notes. You testified that you are right-handed, yet you are writing with your left hand. Are you ambidextrous? It's a trick question, dear God. Here's the problem. Okay, so let's say that you have an inability to utilize your right hand, and all of a sudden you've learned how to use your left hand. That now means that you are ambidextrous enough by taking notes in front of the judge or doing something with your left hand, pouring water that's in there, taking a tissue, whatever, so that the judge could now use that to say that you can use your dominant hand. Used to be your right, now you can say it's your left, as part of the vocational expert DOT section, which is the Dictionary of Occupational Titles, where they're looking at jobs that you could do in the economy, and now they've got a dominant hand that was other than the one that was heard to begin with. So the problem is, originally when you went into this claim, before the ALJ asked that question, you couldn't use your dominant hand, which means you couldn't do fine manipulative functioning with your right hand, ergo, those jobs are out. But now they've got your left hand, and your left hand could be used as basically your fine manipulative features to use for DOT-based jobs that the VE may present as part of the hypotheticals that the judge will be asking. This is a problem because now you've just availed yourself to potential of a lot of other jobs out there with the use of your dominant hand. So watch out for that trick scenario. It does happen. It's rare, but just be careful. All right, two things. If you want the most up-to-date information or you have a question, call me, shoot me an email. That's fine. Next thing, when it comes down to this upcoming Thursday, not the one tomorrow, but the one thereafter, what I'm going to be doing is, if you call at 8 p.m., I'll be doing a live YouTube session. You call in on this phone, the 407-279-1754, right? And the bottom line is that basically I will run questions with you if you're my claimant or not my claimant. Just make sure that when you call in, you use a fake name. And I'll run the questions with you as if we were in the hearing so that you can see what it's like and try it out. All right? All right, now we have to go on to question 36. I'll catch you at that video, and we'll go from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.